Here's a concise explanation suitable for short videos. 1. Software. 1. Definition, general term for programs running on computers. 2. Examples: operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, video editors, games. 3. Scope, can include websites and apps. 2. Website. 1. Definition, online platform accessed via a browser. 2. Examples: Wikipedia, e-commerce stores, blogs. 3. Scope, runs on the internet and doesn't need installation. 3. Application, app. 1. Definition, software designed for specific tasks on devices. 2. Examples: mobile apps, Instagram, desktop apps, Photoshop. 3. Scope, can work offline and online. Simple comparison. 1. Software is the umbrella term. 2. Websites live online. 3. Apps are task-focused and often installed on devices. This framework will help create engaging short clips. Smiley face.